I love you. I love you. Thank you. Holly, how about you? Cuddle, Mama.
Tell us why my channel died. Bye.
Not yet. Mommy's gonna cook. Naamoy ko na. Can you smell the adobo? Antok na to, oh.
Look how it's
Saan ko si TJ na magtimpla ng gatas kay Holly. Let me see. How many scoop did you put?
4.
4? Okay.
Well, now it's up to 8 because I put milk.
It's alright. Yeah, it's alright. And what you gonna do after?
Shake.
Okay, shake it. Good boy, Kuya.
Mom, you don't want to do it like I can.
Okay, from now on, do you want to do that when you're here? Yeah. Okay, tell, what you gonna say, Holly? Sa. Say sa. Say sa. Say wait. Say, okay, go. Hey, lalaw. Halik, Kuya. Halik, Kuya. And what you gonna say? Maraming halik kay Kuya. Maraming halik. What you gonna say? Say sa. La. La. Mat. Po. Halik, Kuya. Thank you, Kuya. Thanks, Kuya. Ayan. Ito na yung adobo natin. Why? Why I have to turn it off?
Because Zach ate that.
What's that?
That.
It's alright.
He said it tastes good.
The milk powder. Yeah, it tastes good.
Let me try.
Oh, ikaw din pala gusto niyang i-try. Just a little bit, okay?
Mom, this one's nearly empty.
Yeah, we have another one.
Yeah.
I know. What's the taste? Huh? Okay, that's it.
Mom.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Huh? Yeah. Nagpapasay siya na. Okay. Is it good? Adobo. Linagyan ko siya ng tubig na kalimutan ko ipakita sa inyo. Naglagay ako ng tubig. So, ayan, kumukulo siya. Siyang tubig. Kasi gusto ko malambot na malambot yan. Tapos, ayan, hindi pa tayo, magluto na tayo ng ano, ng lobster na gulay. So, ito yung sitaw. Magugulay na tayo ng sitaw, tsaka ito yung talong na sabi ko na para sa atin, para tulad sa Philippines. Ayan. Ayan. Pero hindi ko ubusin ang talong kasi gusto ko rin yung tortang talong. Tapos ito hantak. Magtitira ako for sinigang kasi bukas magsisinigang ako. So yun. Hiwain ko lang to and then balikan ko kayo pa nagluto na ako.
Yeah, you want to off, Mom? It's good.
Inaano niya si kuya niya. Tinatawag niya kuya kung gustong tumulong. You wash your hands first, please.
Okay.
Wash your hands and come back.
I already washed my hands.
No.
I did.
No, because you've been playing on the floor. So, sila na lang pagagawin ko nito. So, this one, Sak.
I know what to do. What's that? You just pick it.
I'll show you.
I know what to do.
What,
You know, look.
whatever, Saki boy. Wait.
Is it like peas?
No, this is like, this is beans, Kuya.
Hey. Hello.
Yeah. So, this is what you have to do.
Beef.
I'll show you. It's hot, wait.
Why?
This one, you have to, wait, Kuya. Sak, TJ, here. This one only you have to remove. This one. Wait, Holly. And, wait, Baba. Eto, cut this, like this. You have to break. Ganyan, putulin mo. Sak, are you listening? Putulin, and then you have, like this, like that. See? It's even, and then you have to snap like this, and snap.
Wait, Nanya.
You know now? Oh, this one, Sak. No. This one, you have to measure with this one. This is your guide. This is your guide.
Okay.
Okay? Kuya, you have to put here. You have to, and then you have to remove this first, this one.
Here?
Only this one. Not this one, not the purple one. Only to remove this one. Yeah, I know, but now you have, so like this, and then you have to cut like this. Okay?
Why you know how to do the
Because this is good one. Okay? You know how to do it now, Kuya? You don't have to do even. Just like this.
Okay.
It's alright, it's not even, okay?
You know that thing. Mom, why do this? Why we have on this? What's these?
That's the seed. Kuya, you don't have to measure. You don't have to measure, Kuya. Okay.
What can I do? Another one?
Yeah, you have to do all.
Oh.
Tingnan mo tong isa. No, yucky. Ah, yucky.
I don't put.
Wait, this one. I wash this one.
Put a seed in the garden.
Yeah, you can, but no, it's not gonna work.
No, it's on the block 2 days.
Yeah, but I don't think so. It's gonna work here. We have a cold.
I'm not putting in your plate.
Well, okay. Only one, and then go.
I'm gonna put it back.
No, not yet. You have to do this first. You have, yeah, that's right. You're gonna have dirty hands.
I'm gonna do it back and wash my hands.
No, you do
Mom, they're
that.
long.
It's alright. I give you the guide, Kuya.
Mom, when I fish this. Mom, when
This one, this guide. Okay, that one.
Mom, when I fish it wasn't this one.
No, this one. You do this because this is too long, Kuya.
This one?
Yeah. Okay, this one. This is your guide. Sak, this is your guide, Sak. This is your guide. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So that's your guide, Kuya.
Mom, when I fish that, I fish it and I need to go outside and put this seed in my garden. I think I dropped the seed.
It's alright. What are you doing, Holly? She wants to help, but Papa.
Mommy, eat.
It's alright, Kuya.
See.
Don't have garlic.
Where is that anyway?
I was getting eggs
From where?
from the shop. Babe, can you get me garlic, please?
Dad! Dad!
Yeah, come on, garlic, please. Thank you. What? Yeah, the fresh one.
One to you.
Huh?
It's a U shape.
That's right. Okay. Close it, Holly. Alice, just.
Mom,
Yes.
well, why the purple's good?
Because that's good. I don't know, but it's good.
You know all the food.
I know.
What's this called?
Where is yours, Holly?
Now, did this Mom, check those drawers because she always puts them.
You might. Can you move there because Holly wants
I have
to
a
get
pencil. I have a pencil.
Zach, move it because Holly wants to join. She's crying. Move that one. Move that one here.
Holly, did my seed.
No, sorry. Excuse
There's
me,
one
Kuya.
more seed.
Excuse me, Kuya. Baba ka
There's
muna.
one more seed.
Baba ka muna, Kuya. So, Holly's na. Baba, I said, get down. Zach, excuse me. Here, you go here, Zach. So, Kuya. Holly, here. In the middle. In the middle. You don't play, okay? You don't play. Kasi umiiyak siya eh. Okay. So, you have to put it here, here.
God.
Holly, you don't play, Holly, okay?
Hey, Holly. Ooh. Hey! Good. I'm gonna get one more seed. No, get the pig. And this looks like a happy face. This looks like a happy face. This looks like a worm and a snake.
Snake.
So you have 9. So one more seed. No, don't.
Tapos ako, balatan ko na rin tong
3, 4, 5, 6.
potato para sa mashed potato ni Jan, mamaya.
Teach me
Painitin
one
ko
more.
rin.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, the Jan.
Die. Oh. 2, 3,
Baba.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8,
Holly, don't play.
12.
This is sitaw. Sitaw.
Sitaw,
Say, sitaw.
sitaw,
Sitaw.
sitaw.
Sitaw. Taw.
Sitaw,
No. Sitaw.
sitaw, sitaw.
Sa, say.
Seesaw,
Okay. Yes.
Seesaw,
It's alright.
seesaw, seesaw,
Sitaw.
seesaw,
No, sitaw.
seesaw.
Sitaw.
Holly, can I have one?
Holly.
Hey!
Holly, say sitaw. Holly. Say si. Holly,
I
say
can do
si.
like on my stage.
Holly. Si. Taw. Sitaw. Again. Si. Taw. Sitaw.
Mom, what's
Good girl.
what's
Si. Taw. Sitaw.
Mom,
Good girl.
what's the other one?
Huh? What's the other one?
What's the other one told? Again.
Baguio beans.
Where?
Yes.
Like these little.
Yeah, small version of that.
What? This little.
Yes.
This is what?
What's the baba?
Each.
Say si.
What they told my meal?
Sitaw.
What's this told?
Sitaw.
Tail.
Sitaw.
Oh, hey! Don't take on my sage.
No, give back to Kuya, please. Good girl. That's sitaw, sa.
I don't know what's tail. No, mommy.
That one, the one you're
Mommy,
holding.
can I have one?
Yeah, Baba, there's more in Kuya, oh. There's
She's
more.
sharing.
Okay.
Can I
There's
have
more.
one? Thank you, Baba. How to split a say there?
Say si. Taw. Kuya, say. Si.
See
Taw.
cow.
Sitaw.
Sitaw.
Ano to?
Sitaw.
Sitaw. Say sitaw.
Sitaw.
How about you, Holly?
Sitaw.
Very good. Again, what's that?
Sitaw.
Sitaw. Again, say it here. What's that?
Sitaw.
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 Very good. Say it here. Yay!
Sitaw.
Very good. Again, what's that?
Sitaw.
Sitaw. Again, say it here. What's that?
Sitaw.
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 Very good. Say it here. Yay! Pa. Pa. Look at here. Say pa. Ta. Tas. Patatas. Louder. Say patatas. What's this, Kuya?
Patata.
Patatas. Patatas. Patatas.
Yeah.
Yay! Say it
Can you
here.
give me some water, please?
Okay.
No, say.
Kuya.
What she did?
Ano sabihin?
Thank you.
In Tagalog?
Thank you.
In Tagalog?
Opo.
No. Salamat.
Salamat po. Ah! Mom?
Probably didn't even like this thing, Mom.
Huh?
She
tried to
move the start.
Careful.
Then she
Yeah, when the word. Julie.
Look that.
Yeah, when the wind. Julie.
Wala pa si Jan. Pinabili ko si Jan ng
Eggs.
eggs and
Oh, what's these? These.
this talong. Say ta. Say ta.
Ta.
Long.
Long.
Talong.
Talon.
Talong.
Talon.
Kuya, say this.
Talong.
Talong.
Talon.
Say talong, Holly. No, that's yucky pa, Baba.
Eh.
Say ta. Holly, ta. Going down, Holly. Holly.
Make it now.
Ta.
Long.
Long. Holly, go. Come on, down now, Holly, down. Okay, what's this, Holly? Ta. Long.
Go.
Talong.
Go.
Ta. Holly. Say talong, Baba.
Mom,
Okay, no more now. Long.
So.
Talong.
Yeah.
Say ta.
Say talon.
Say talong. Ta. Long. Talong. Baba. Talong.
Yeah.
Talong.
Yeah.
There's more here for you. Here for you.
Mom.
Ta.
Yeah.
Long. Long. Say talong. No, no. Don't spin it there. Don't eat it.
Mom, we're nearly done.
I'm gonna put my seed here. I'm gonna dig a lot.
So I'm the other one getting the border, okay?
Mommy.
You just have to get a jump.
Mommy.
Okay.
I
Put it
just
there.
already have a jumper. This won't make me cold. I finished.
So there's one more here.
That's yours.
Oh, that's only little ones out. That's only a little
You
one.
can do it.
That's medium.
Oh,
Ollie, can I do that one?
oh, big. Hi. Hey. Bo. Net.
Look. This is a lot of seed. Look.
Mom. Hey, look down.
Ayan, nakat ko na yung talong at saka tapos na yung dalawang boys na mag-cut niyan. Tapos eto, ilalagay ko na sa oven para kay Jan.